the sea of blue. It's a night in June, there's a moon above. Lovers in the air, so they fall in love. And the same thing happens to the birds.